Super Service of Aliso Viejo is a 2022 CARFAX top-rated vehicle service center. Call us today at 949-866-5040 and schedule a vehicle inspection. Regular service inspections are essential to keep your car running smoothly and prevent major problems down the road. At Super Service of Aliso Viejo, our expert mechanics will thoroughly inspect your vehicle and perform any necessary repairs or maintenance to ensure that it is running at peak performance. We know that car maintenance can be costly, which is why we offer EasyPay financing. You don't have to worry about paying for your service up front. Instead, you can spread the cost out over time with manageable monthly payments. This means you can get the service your car needs without breaking the bank. Visit our website www.superserviceofalisoviejo.com and schedule an online vehicle service appointment today.